Food lovers, today, we're diving into one of Chile's most iconic culinary treasures, pebre. This zesty condiment is a staple on every Chilean table, bringing bold flavors to everything from bread to grilled meats. But pebre is more than just a sauce, it's a symbol of Chilean culture and tradition. Let's explore its delicious secrets and uncover some unknown facts about this flavorful delight. Pebre is a fresh and tangy condiment made with ingredients like tomatoes, cilantro, onion, garlic, chili peppers, olive oil, and a splash of vinegar or lemon juice. Think of it as Chile's answer to salsa, but with a unique flavor twist that reflects the country's diverse culinary influences. Did you know that pebre's origins trace back to Chile's indigenous Mapuche people? They used similar ingredients, like chili peppers and coriander, long before the Spanish arrived. The Spanish colonizers added olive oil and garlic to the mix, blending their Mediterranean flavors with indigenous ingredients. This fusion gave birth to the pebre we know today. Pebre isn't just a condiment, it's a culinary chameleon. Chileans use it as a dip, a topping, or even a marinade, proving there's no wrong way to enjoy it. From the arid north to the lush south, every region of Chile has its own spin on pebre. For example, in the south, people might add merken, a smoky Mapuche chili powder, for extra flavor. Pebre is more than food, it's a symbol of Chilean hospitality. Sharing pebre with freshly baked bread, or pan amasado, is a gesture of warmth and togetherness. Making pebre at home is simple and satisfying. Here's what you'll need: finely chopped onions, tomatoes, cilantro, garlic, chili peppers, olive oil, and a splash of vinegar. Mix everything together, season with salt, and let it rest to allow the flavors to meld. A taste of Chile right in your kitchen. No Chilean barbecue is complete without pebre. It's the perfect complement to grilled meats, balancing their richness with a fresh, tangy kick. Did you know there are festivals in Chile dedicated to pebre? These events celebrate this beloved condiment with creative variations and plenty of bread for dipping. Pebre's fame has crossed borders, with Chilean restaurants worldwide introducing it to new audiences. Some chefs even create fusion dishes featuring pebre. Packed with fresh vegetables and heart-healthy olive oil, pebre isn't just delicious, it's nutritious. It's a great way to add vitamins and antioxidants to your meal. The word pebre comes from the Catalan word for pepper. This linguistic link reflects the influence of Catalan immigrants in Chile, who brought their love for spicy and flavorful dishes. Pebre was initially considered a condiment for the working class. It was an affordable way to add flavor to simple meals, making it a staple on tables across rural Chile. In Chilean culinary culture, some chefs create ultra-spicy versions of pebre, challenging diners to test their heat tolerance. This spicy pebre isn't for the faint-hearted. In Chile, pebre is almost always served with freshly baked bread, especially pan amasado or marraqueta. This combination is a favorite starter at Chilean meals. Pebre has become a symbol of Chile's national identity. It represents the fusion of indigenous and European influences that shape the country's culinary landscape. Unlike many condiments that are seasonal, Pebre is enjoyed year-round in Chile. Its fresh ingredients make it equally popular in summer barbecues and winter meals. Pebre often accompanies street food in Chile, such as sopaipillas, fried pumpkin dough, and choripán, chorizo sandwich, enhancing their flavors with its tangy kick. Some modern versions of Pebre incorporate exotic ingredients like avocado, roasted bell peppers, or smoked merken to create new and exciting flavor profiles. Pebre is often served alongside a glass of Chilean pisco, a local spirit, during social gatherings. The combination of tangy Pebre and the crispness of pisco sour is a crowd pleaser. The dish aligns with Chile's growing focus on sustainable cooking. Since Pebre uses fresh, local ingredients, it encourages eco-friendly practices and reduces food waste. In many Chilean households, making Pebre is a family tradition. Recipes are passed down through generations, with each family adding its unique touch to the dish. In Chile, Pebre is often cited as a remedy for hangovers. Its tangy, fresh flavors help refresh the palate and rehydrate the body after a long night. Chileans love pairing Pebre with their world-class wines. A spicy Pebre complements bold reds, while a mild version pairs beautifully with crisp whites. At social gatherings, it's common for one person to be designated as the Pebre maker, a role considered an honor among friends and family. Pebre is a small dish with a big heart. It's a testament to Chile's rich culinary heritage and its ability to bring people together. Whether you're enjoying it with bread, meats, or even by the spoonful, Pebre is a true flavor adventure you don't want to miss. Ready to try Pebre at home? Let us know in the comments how you'd use this versatile Chilean condiment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious food stories from around the world.